Speak English fluently with the shadowing technique, full guide, practice. If you're learning English and still hesitate when speaking, if you know the grammar but your mouth freezes, if you feel confident in reading and writing, but when it comes to speaking, you struggle, then this video is made for you. In this full guide, you're going to learn one of the most powerful techniques that successful English learners, interpreters, and even polyglots use to develop natural fluency, the shadowing technique. This is not just theory. We'll go deep into how it works, step-by-step practice, a daily plan, live shadowing exercises, and real tips to help you speak English clearly and confidently. Watch this video till the end, because by the time you're done, you'll know exactly how to use shadowing daily, how to avoid mistakes most learners make, and how to train yourself to sound more fluent and native-like, even if you're studying alone. Here are the key points we'll cover to help you master English fluency. What is the shadowing technique and how it works? Why it helps improve speaking faster than traditional methods. A detailed step-by-step guide to shadowing like a pro. Real English shadowing exercises you can follow today. Daily shadowing routine to see real progress in 15 minutes. The biggest mistakes learners make with shadowing. Tips to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. What is shadowing? Now, shadowing is a speaking technique where you repeat what you hear in English almost instantly, trying to match the speaker's pronunciation, tone, pace, and emotion as closely as possible. Imagine someone is walking in front of you, and you're copying every move just half a second behind. That's exactly what shadowing is, but with speech. When you shadow, you're not just repeating words. You're training your ears, brain, and mouth to work together, to speak like a fluent English speaker in real time. The goal is to sound as close as possible to the native speaker without worrying too much about the meaning at first. Over time, meaning, grammar, pronunciation, rhythm, they all fall into place naturally. Here's why the shadowing technique is so powerful. 1. It forces you to listen carefully. You pay attention to every sound, stress, and tone in the speaker's voice. 2. It builds speaking reflexes. You stop translating in your head. You start thinking and speaking in English. 3. It improves pronunciation. You mimic real-life speech patterns, and your accent starts to improve naturally. 4. It trains your mouth. English sounds become easier to produce because your muscles get used to them. 5. It connects your listening and speaking skills. You become faster at responding and sounding more natural in conversations. In short, shadowing builds a bridge between input and output. You stop being a passive learner and become an active speaker. How to practice step guide. Here's a complete breakdown of how to shadow effectively. Step 1. Choose the right material. Start with a short audio or video clip, 30 seconds to 2 minutes. It should be spoken by a native English speaker with clear pronunciation. TED Talks, YouTube interviews, news reports, or movie dialogues are perfect. Tip: choose content based on your interest. Motivation matters. Step 2. Listen without speaking. Before repeating anything, just listen to the clip once or twice. Focus on how the speaker sounds, their intonation, rhythm, stress, and pauses. Don't worry about catching every word. Step 3. Shadow with subtitles. Play the clip again, this time with subtitles or a transcript. Speak along with the speaker, trying to copy their voice as exactly as possible. Don't pause. Don't stop for mistakes. Just go with the flow. Step 4, shadow without subtitles. Now try to shadow again without reading. Only listen and repeat. This is the most powerful part of the technique. Your brain starts recognizing patterns, sounds, and phrases automatically. Step 5. Record yourself. This step is often skipped, but it's incredibly effective. Record yourself shadowing and then play it back. Compare it to the original clip. You'll hear what's missing: intonation, clarity, speed, and improve it. Step 6. Repeat multiple times. Shadowing once is not enough. Repeat the same clip 5 to 10 times. With each round, your fluency improves and your voice starts matching the original more closely. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are the biggest mistakes English learners make when using shadowing and how you can avoid them. Speaking too fast and skipping words. Focus on accuracy, not speed in the beginning. Choosing difficult content too early. Start with short, slow, and clear clips. Gradually increase difficulty. Skipping the listening step. Always listen first to absorb rhythm and tone. Trying to be perfect. You will make mistakes. It's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Stopping too soon. Shadowing requires consistency. Keep going for 15 to 30 days and you will notice dramatic improvement. Let's do a live shadowing practice together. Here are 5 sentences. First, listen. Then pause the video and repeat out loud, trying to match the speaker's tone and speed. Hi there. It's really nice to meet you today. Repeat it 3 times. Sentence 2. I've been learning English for a few months now. Repeat. Sentence 3. I want to speak fluently so I can travel and make new friends. Try to match the speaker's flow and emotion. Sentence 4. Could you please say that again? I didn't catch the last part. Repeat slowly at first, then increase speed. Sentence 5. I know I'll make mistakes, but that's how I learn and grow. Copy the emotion and natural rhythm. Repeat the whole set a few times for better results. Leveling routine. Here's a powerful 15-minute daily shadowing plan you can follow. Minute 1, 3. Choose your clip and listen carefully. Minute 4 to 6, shadow with subtitles. Minute 7 to 9, shadow without subtitles. Minute 10, 12, record and compare. Minute 15, repeat the shadowing 2 more times. You can do this during your commute, at home, or even while walking. Just use earphones and practice aloud. Consistency is the key. Tips for maximum results. Use noise-canceling headphones for better audio clarity. Start with slow playback speed, 0.75x, then move to normal or fast. Record your voice regularly. It helps identify progress. Mix your content sources: news, podcasts, YouTube, movie scenes. Make shadowing a habit. Even 10 minutes a day can change everything. Don't memorize, absorb and imitate. That's how children learn. Conclusion: the shadowing technique can transform the way you speak English. It helps you go from slow and nervous to natural, clear, and confident. Remember, the key is to listen, imitate, repeat, and stay consistent. You don't need a teacher or a partner. You just need your voice, your ears, and your time. Try shadowing daily for 2 weeks, and you'll notice how your pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency start improving automatically. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future